feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in the strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Caught up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a bold red look on my lips, and basically I prepped my face already. It's already prepped with primer and foundation, and I haven't done nothing else to my face. And I'm basically going out right now, so I decided to record while I get ready on for my makeup. So I have everything laid out right here in front of me. So I'm going to go step by step through each and everything that I do for my face. As you can tell, I don't have anything else but foundation. The foundation and primer that I used was a Fenty Beauty. Which color was this? I believe this was the 380. Yeah, 380. You guys can see it. It's a little blurry. But 380, and I used the primer, which is a universal primer. So I already used those two products in my face. So next, I'm gonna put on like the blotting powder, I believe. It's by Fenty Beauty also. This is what she uses for universal for the blotting powder. I believe it's called, yeah, blotting powder. So this sets the foundation on your face. But before I use this, I'm gonna conceal my under eyes and things like that first, and then I'm gonna use this. So the concealer I'm going to use is Radiant Cover. It's not really a name brand, but this is the one I use because I'm out of the other one. So I'm going to put it under my eyes and certain areas too, like between my eyebrows and things like that. So basically I applied it to my under eyes and between my eyebrows just to brighten up a little bit. I'm going to apply some to my chin too. And sometimes I apply it right here. That's where I put my actual shimmer when I'm done. So I actually apply a little bit of concealer here too. And I'm going to use my Beauty Blender. I forgot what this is called, by Revive. You can't really see it too much, but this is what I use to blend out my concealer. Sometimes I'm not a big fan of contouring, but for this video, I'm going to do it. And I use the Morphe palette. And these are the colors I use. I use mainly on this side. As you can see, it's already used. So I basically use like these two colors, maybe this one, depending on how I feel. These are 3 colors I use. I don't ever touch this side. Okay, so I got my brushes to conceal my face. So now I'm going to take this color right here. And take a good amount and apply it like that. I'm done applying to my face. I'm gonna blend it out now. I'm gonna use my foundation brush that I used earlier. It was the e.l.f. contouring brush. It's upside down, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna use this brush. I'm just gonna blend it. I'm going to go onto my eyebrows. I do have a medium-sized eyebrows, so honestly there's nothing on it right now. So there's not much to do to them. What I do for my eyebrows is I take like a brush like this. I just brush it out. Get all the clumps out and just make it easier to apply my Anastasia pomade on my eyebrows. So I just brush it out like that. Sometimes I use a pencil on it, depending, or sometimes I just use the pomade. So this is the color medium brown. Okay, and this is the Anastasia. Got it from Sephora, so it's like a thick pomade consistency. You guys can tell. So basically, I go in with this brush. You guys can't really see it. If I go in with this brush, and I take a little bit at a time because it's really pigmented. So I'll take a few like this, and I'll go over. So honestly, when I do my eyebrows, I start in the middle going outwards because I don't like that harsh line right here. So I keep it like, I don't really put anything on it. So I'll start from here and going out. And for my concealer, applying it to my eyebrows, I always use this brush. Always use that one, and I'll just do a thin line. I never apply concealer on top of my eyebrows. I don't know why, but I always apply it on the bottom. So see how the end of my eyebrows are a little bushy looking? That's when I'll go in with the pencil and I'll just fill it in. So as you guys can see the difference. Done, not done. So next I'm going to apply some eyeshadow to my eyelids. Since I'm doing a bold lip, I don't like to go bold on my eyelids. I used this in a previous video to do an all natural eye makeup. So these are the colors that come in the palette. So they have a lot of neutral colors and they have a lot of dark colors and things like that. So today I'm going to use, it's called Dawn. It's right here. So I'm going to apply that to the base of my eyelid right here. I'm going to put a little bit. So as you can tell, it's very light. It's not really drastic, because that's what I want on the eyelid. I don't want too drastic. So I might apply a little bit of the Mercury, which is like the taupe color right here. And I'm going to spread it out a little bit higher. So basically, I'm going to take a little bit right here. I'm going to apply it on the corners of my eyelids and kind of blending it together. So usually when I apply my eyelashes,
really,
I
nigga?
usually apply the eyeliner to conceal it together. I might do that right now. So the eyelashes I'm going to use Get this from my local beauty supply store. They're number 1 and number 15. I think I'm gonna use these. Okay. So basically, what I do with mine is I don't use the full one. I usually cut it in half. I like that elongated, like cat eye kind of look. So I always cut it. And I'm going to use regular eyelash glue. But before I apply my eyelashes, I use this tool. It's like a comb for your eyelashes. You can see it. Yeah. So basically, just to get any clumps out of your eyelashes or anything like that, residue, whatever, I use it to just open up my eyelashes. Okay, so it's kind of dry. I'm gonna apply it on the outer corners of my eyes right here. I'm gonna do the right side first. I'm a righty, so I'll start here. Okay, so with these eyelashes, they're really short, so I'm just gonna apply this one on the same too. I never used these before, so I didn't know how it's gonna come out. But basically, it does not look good when I just put half. So that's a fail. Give me a second. Okay. I should have never cut them. That was a fail. I like them. They're different. But you see right here, it's I don't know. Let's see how this looks. I'm gonna make it work. It might look weird now, but I'm gonna make it work. This is why I wear individual lashes. I don't have to deal with this. This is basically what it looks like. You guys can't see it, but it's just a regular black eyeliner, waterproof and long lasting. It's a liquid eyeliner. Okay, so basically I went in, so it kind of covers this part of it. Be honest with you guys, if it does look bad, let me know in the comments down below. But basically, that's that. I honestly forgot a set. This is banana powder, I believe. So while I'm doing my shimmer, my lips, I'm gonna do my setting powder. Okay guys, my camera just died on me, so I was in the middle of telling you guys that I'm gonna bake my face. So I'm baking my face. I'm gonna do a little bit more things on my face that I need to do. So basically I'm using banana powder. I'm gonna put a big chunk of it. So while I'm baking my face, I'm going to actually, I think, do my lips, then my highlighter after. So for my lips, I use MAC. It's called Dim Lip Eraser or Lip Erase Lip Balm. So this is what I use on my lips. So it kind of takes away the creases, and if you have like dark lips and want to wear like a light colored lipstick, this is good to use because it actually camouflages your dark lips. Like mine, they're not the brightest, they're like a dark pink or whatever, so I like to use this when I'm wearing anything bright. So before I apply this, I'm going to put my lip balm on. And then I just put a little bit. So your lips are going to look really chapped. I think you're going to have to be careful. But they're not. So that's how it looks after you apply it. It looks really like cakey looking. As you can see, it's really cakey. So I'm gonna use my red lipstick. It's not really a name brand, but yeah, well, Elf. It's an Elf lipstick. So that's what I have. So it's matte lip color. I'm a fan of like matte colors. I don't really like the shiny look on a lip gloss. So I'm gonna use this. I don't really need like a lip liner because it's kind of like a lip liner. And I have full lips. I don't really need all that stuff. So basically, I'm gonna start. As you can see, the color really pops when I use the lip eraser. It kind of makes the color show more compared to me just putting this on my actual lips. It doesn't show as well, so that's why I use it. For this video, I'm just gonna keep it plain and simple with the red simple look. So now that I'm finished baking, I'm gonna take it off and swipe off the excess banana powder. So throughout the night, it's gonna set more because right now I look a little pale, but it's gonna set a little bit better. Honestly, right now it's not gonna look the best probably, but yeah. Okay, so after that, I actually use Fenty Beauty once again, the Trophy Wife Kilowatt. This is the Trophy Wife. I take one dab and I'll go on my cheekbone right here. You guys can see it. You guys can see that, right? Yeah, you see. I don't want to put too much because it's really pigmented. But put some here. And I'll put some like on my I don't know what they call it, but the top of my lip. And I'll put some here on the bridge of my nose. As you can tell. So yep, I have my outfit, my hair, and my makeup. Let me know how it looks in the comments below, and let me know how everything. If you feel like I did anything wrong, just say, okay, well, you need to do this first, and you do this last. Just let me know, because I'm not, a makeup guru. But honestly, this is how I do my makeup. I'm not a professional, and basically, this is my red lip bold look. So just comment down below, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye! Wow.